Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together, not sure who I really am. Just
Hi guys, how are you? Today I'll show you how to incorporate a scarf into your summer updo. We want to make a parting and select our front sections like I'm showing, and with the rest we want to make a low ponytail using a clear elastic. Then you want to fold your scarf like I'm showing, tie it in the back like I'm showing here. Now you want to divide your ponytail into two equal sections. Then you want to divide one of the sections into two, one side of the scarf, and make with it a 3-strand braid. So we use our scarf as a strand, tie the ends of the braid of the hair, using a clear elastic. Don't last time, make sure to pull it only halfway through. And we will repeat this braid on other section as well. So we have two braids. Now you want to tighten a little bit our braids by pulling our scarf. Now we want to pin in place one of the braids. You can roll it, you can twist it or crisscross them depending on how long your hair is. Now you want to tie the ends of the scarf, creating a ball. Then grabbing our front section, so we want to twist it just a little bit and pin it in the back, creating an elegant look. And they're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. Also guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye!